Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in Kamangu. Kamangu is in Kikuyu and we are here to showcase a house that was done by 47 Investment Company. This was a request by one of our clients and the cost of construction of this unit was 8.4 million Kenya shillings. What makes this project very special to us is that this client approached us 8 months ago and they wanted to purchase a plot of land. We had to do our search and then we had to do our due diligence, a pre-purchase inspection to make sure that the legality of all the documents that comes with a plot were there and were clean as a whistle. So if you would want to purchase a unit or if you would want to purchase a piece of land and you do not know if the papers are clean, you can talk to us and we will help you with the pre-purchase inspection. It will just cost you a few coins. Right now we are at the front yard of this unit. The landscaping is in progress, but we had to shoot this unit because the client wants to move in. As you can see, the parking area is being done. On that side, you have the kitchen garden, of which we will see later. The front yard is on my far front. Just come with me. The front yard is here. Okay, it's not the biggest, but the client did not want so much land. They have many cars, so they want to have more parking than more green space. The unit comes with a biodigester, and as you already see, the perimeter wall has been done. From there, tell me, what do you like about this unit? Do you love the color? Is it something you can do? Or if you were to do such a unit, what improvements would you want Mr. 47 to do for you? Make sure you comment that below. I love this entrance porch. It has been done very, very well, and it raises the unit a bit high just to make sure that you are safe in the seasons of long rains. I'm loving the size of this living room. If I was to do a living room in a 4-bedroom unit, this is around 200 square meters, maybe more, maybe less. I would do a living room like this. It's a good size. You can easily do a 5-seater all the way to an 8-seater couch, and you have a center light that looks excellent. You also get an additional 2 side lights to make sure that the house or the living room is very well lit. You have 2 big windows to give you enough natural light, and on my far front you have the dining area, which we will see in a minute. This is an entrance that is taking you to the guest bedroom, and it has been done very well. I would say the size is acceptable, though it is not the biggest guest bedroom we have seen in the channel. What I like is the size of the window that you get. This is about 5 feet. That would give you enough light in this bedroom. The closet has been done very well. It's long since we saw Mr. 47 doing such closets. The quality is nice, and you have 2 drawers down there for your tiny garments like socks or maybe your underwear. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it is not the biggest, though you have all the fixtures that you may require. On this side you have your showering area, which comes with a normal shower head. A wash basin is at the center, and behind the door you have your washroom area. When I take you to the upper level, you'll see that the other 2 bedrooms, actually the other 3 bedrooms are slightly bigger than this one, and the bathroom is also slightly bigger. This one is for the guests, of which they just visit occasionally. From the guest bedroom, the common washroom is here. It's not the best position to do a common washroom, but it's there anyway. When I was talking to the developer, he told me that this client came with the design and they wanted this unit to be done exactly as it is. And sometimes it becomes very, very complicated to try and question a client's design. So we do what you people request. Right now we are in the dining area. It is a good space. I'm loving the corner window. It's a vibe. A corner window is always a vibe. And you can do a 6-seater dining set over here, maybe a 10-seater if you like your dining set to be squeezed, or if you have a big family. The lighting to the dining area is just beautiful, and you have 2 side lights and a wash basin, soap dispenser to make sure that this space is ample and very conducive for your meals. The dining area is opening to the kitchen through this small opening, but if you want to access the kitchen, you use this access. This is the kitchen. Let's it's sizable. I'm loving it, and I like how the gray granite countertops are blending with the white cabinetry. Right now we are at the cooking area, and this is where you should do your 6-burner cooktop. Above me here, just here, this is where you should do your heat extractor if you like that modernity. On my left hand side, you have a double sink, and this is supposed to be your washing area, and the extension here should be your drying area. The window is big to give you enough natural light, especially kitchens require to have a lot of light, because if you want to maintain this place as clean, you need to see every particle of that. On my right hand side, you have the pantry of this kitchen. I'll not show you that because the owner is using it as the store right now. What I'll do, I'll take you to the backyard and you'll see the kitchen garden. Buying an eighth of an acre gives you a lot of space to do so many things, and this client has this backyard where they can do maybe vegetables, and on my far front you have an extra lot which can be used for any other activities. From the first level, we are at the second level, and you have a small area which can be used as a mini study. The staircase proceeds to the roof deck. We will see that later. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom is on my left, and still on that far end you have the primary bedroom. This bedroom is a tiny bit bigger compared to the guest bedroom that we saw earlier. The bathroom is on my right hand side, and this is the sleeping area which has been done excellently. The closets are just very beautiful. My problem with them is that they are not up to the ceiling level. That space becomes dirty sometimes. Mr. 47 should improve on that. On my left hand side, you have the window to this bedroom, and because we're in the suburbs, you are getting a very beautiful view of the greenery of this locality. On my far front, you have the bathroom, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the guest bathroom. African real estate knows that some of you cannot go through the hassle of building a house like this, and maybe you would want to purchase one. That's why we have given you a platform where you can select, compare, contact us, and we'll help you purchase your best next unit. And that is our website, africanrealestate.com. If you need any assistance to compare the units that we have in the portfolio, over 7,000 units, you need to call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. This is the second bedroom on this level. The bathroom to the second bedroom is sizable and done excellently. You have your WC. On my far left, you have your wash basin, and this is the showering area. If you want to get an improvement of this or a better bathroom, that one can always be done at a cost. This is the second bedroom. It has been done nicely, and it would easily fit a 5x6 bed. It is targeting your kids, and it comes with its closet here. The closet is not the biggest. Actually, this is the smallest closet we have seen in the unit when you compare it to all the other closets in the other bedrooms. You have an extra space here if you would want to make the closet bigger, and you got a normal big window for enough natural light. Wow, interesting. This is the primary bedroom. It is the biggest, and it comes with the biggest closet, and you are getting his and hers. Let me ask you a question. Should Mr. 47 start doing this kind of closets, or should we revert to the normal closets that we've been doing? I am loving these ones. I think they are a bit posh. Okay, they are a bit busy also, but they look posh and nice. I like them. I would actually take this one. If I was to do a unit with 47 investments right now, I would take these closets. They are beautiful, and you get a dresser at the center. Very nice partitionings, and you have another set of closets on this end. Some spaces for the shoes maybe, and the bathroom is next to me. We are at the primary bathroom, and it comes with a showering area on this side, and you are getting a rain shower. Oh, interesting. A handheld and a side sprinkler, maybe. I don't know what you use that for, but I'm loving the whole shower thingy. The washroom area is on this other side, and you get everything standard plus a nice mirror. I like the size of the window that you get in the primary bedroom, and it is giving you the best view of your front yard. You also have a small balcony. I don't think this was necessary, but it's there anyway. So if you would want to get some fresh air after a long sleep, or you want to get a breeze in the morning, you can access that from this small balcony. I'll take you to the roof deck. Right now we are at the roof deck, and Kikuyu being a slightly hilly place, you are getting the best views. This would be a perfect place for you to sit and enjoy the morning sunshine. And on my far end, you have your clothesline area. You also get 3,000-liter water tanks, which comes standard from 47 investment, and also a terrazzo floor, which makes your unit very safe from water seepage. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want Mr. 47 to give you such a unit, make sure you call us in the number attached down here. As always, this is African Real Estate, and my name is Mungai Kihara.